Hello guys, so some video so today we're playing World Hop. I don't know. So anyways guys, I was wanted to World Hop I think. So we need to win guys. Once again, I should just do like this, whatever I want. So let me know in the comments, okay? Also, I wanted to beat that game. So anyways, this is the World Hop guys. I think I can't even World Hop I think. I need to win first guys. I need to win. I can't even win. I can't even win. I can't even win guys. I can't even win because it's hard. So anyways, this is the wall hop I think. The wall hop tower. I'll just try my best to do like this. Oh wait, can I do like this? Wait, can I do like this? Oh my god, I can't. I can't even do it guys. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. I cannot do it guys. I can't even shift block because it's so hard to do it. Whatever I want. So anyways, I can't even win. So this thing's hard mode. It looks like. Also, let me know in the comments. I should just do ship block. I should just do ship block. Yes! I win. How many wins do I have? Are you dumb or not? Bro, I can't see the stupid thing. No, what? Never mind. I win, guys. I win. Let's go back. I win, guys, for the ship block, I think. Just trying my best to ship block. Red. What's that? Can I do like this, whatever I want? Can I, just... I have, 0, but I can't even win. I just wanted to win, but I can't. So, let me know in the comments, okay? Wait, can I just do like whatever I want? Wait, can I just... How can I can't! What's that? What's wrong? I should just ship block like this. Okay, sounds strange. I should just ship block I think, but I can't even do it guys. I can't, wait, can I do it or not? I can't even ship block guys. Wait, I can just ship block. Bruh. Can I just... I can't. Bro, I can't even jump, I guess. I can't even jump! Because I don't have this. I just ability I think guys. I can't. So hard. What the thing? Wait, can I do it? I can't even do it. I don't know, bro. I don't have the talent, I think. Maybe I should just do ship lock, I think. Wait, can I do like this for ship block? Wait, I can't even do it. Oh wait. Oh wait, can I do whatever I want? Oh wait, I should just jump and also ship block. Oh wait, that's sounds awesome, guys. Can I ship block whatever I want? I can't. This hard. This one's hard. I think this one's hard, guys. I think I wanted to go whatever I want. I need to go to the ship block, guys. I wanna be on this. I love you. This way. I think I'm going this way. What happened? What happened to her? Okay, let's ship block like this. Can I do like this? How? How can I do it, guys? I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. Oh my god, I cannot even ship block. What's that, guys? Okay. So let's go to the time ship block, I think. So let me not challenge. So let's go to the time in the ship block. Actually, I just wanted to win, but I can't even win. Wait, can I just ship block if I do not fall? Bro, I fall. I can't believe I just fall. Oh my god, can I just ship block with everyone? I can't even ship block because I don't have like this. I'm not a talent. Because only I can just do whatever is this. Bruh, how many wins do I have? How many wins? Wait, what's that? I'm at the top. I am a 0. Hey, what's that? What's not idea? What's that? How can I do it, guys? I can't even do it. I think I can do it, guys. I can't even shift block, and also I keep on this. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, so let me not comment, okay? Okay, let me just shift block, but I can't even do it. Because I'm not a talent, but anyways. I don't know how to shift block because I don't have a keyboard. I have 0, so it's okay. Okay, this all these ones will be easy. Okay. Wait, can I just win? Wait, I can just win whatever I want. Wait, can I just continue? Wait, can I can't. Wait, I should just win. I have 0. Oh my god. Oh! What the heck? Bruh. Are you kidding me? It's so hard that I can't even do it. I just work so hard at this. Oh my god. Trying me? Bruh. Play this. Bro, I keep on losing more time. Wait, can I just do whatever this wants? I guess. I don't know. So, anyways, who's gonna win first, I guess? I wanted to win. Thing. Oh wait, I should have. Oh my god, I can't. I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro. Bro, headless. Oh my god. Wait, how many wins do I have? Did I just touch it? I have 0. What about this? Epic. What is epic, I guess? Okay, let's go continue. Um, um, oh! Oh my god! Wait, how? How can I do it? Maybe. I can't. I can't even do it, guys. Maybe I should just shift block. Let me just continue making shift block. Come on. Oh! I can't do it. Wait, did I just touch it? Where's win? Where's my winner? Did I just touch it? Why? I can't even do it. Why? I have this win. I don't know how to win. Oh wait, can I win whatever I want? I don't know. So otherwise, guys, I can't even just win. But it probably means that I cannot win. So I can just shift block, I guess, again. I wanted to keep on shift block. Maybe I can't. Okay. What about this? I will bet this that I can. I win. What's that? Let's begin with 4, I guess. Oh my god. Wait, how many wins do I have? Come on. Come on, remove that thing. How many wins do I have, guys? Bro, how? I have 0. I have 0 wins. Okay, let's go. Let's go back. What's that? I have 0. What's that? I can't even do it, whatever I want. Let me do it all over again. Oh my god, this one's easy, but I can't even do it. I can't even do it, guys. Oh my god. Oh! Wait, how many wins do I have? I have 0. Yes. Yes! Wait. Bro, why do I have 0 again? Not fair. You're always cheating. Why? Why I can't even make it? Wait, can I just shift block whatever I want? Or just keep on shift block? I don't know how to shift block properly. I don't know how. I don't know how, guys. I don't know how. Because I am with a tiny brain. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even make it, guys. I need to go. I can't even make it before this time. see. What the? What the heck? I can't even make it. Can I make it? Wait, wait, I can just make it. I can't. It's hard. So, anyways, this is the hardest game. This will help sucks. So, goodbye, guys.